In this video, I'll detail how to pair Apple Watch to AirPods. So if you have AirPods, whether AirPod Pro or other AirPods, you can easily pair your Apple Watch to your AirPods. So basically in this video, I'm going to show you how to pair Apple Watch to AirPods, and you don't need to use any additional devices. All you just need to do is the AirPods and then the Apple Watch. So if at the end of this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to pair your Apple Watch and AirPods together, you first need to open the earpod like this. Then make sure the earpod is charged. Then turn the back and locate this button on your earpod. Then press and hold the button until the light on your Apple Watch changes from red color it is to white. And you also hear a beep when you press it. Then once you hear the beep, this is going to put your AirPods in pairing mode and it will make it discoverable by your Apple Watch. Now you want to make sure your AirPod is within a range. Then go ahead and unlock your Apple Watch. Then click on the two crown ones. Now scroll down and click on the settings gear icon. I want to scroll down until you get to Bluetooth. Go ahead and click on the Bluetooth icon. And if your Apple Watch Bluetooth is disabled, make sure this is enabled. So if you have it like this, then you want to turn this on to discover all Bluetooth devices within your range. Then scroll down and you should see your AirPod Pro or AirPods under devices. Then click on it. Then this is going to pair with your AirPod. So you may be prompted to type in the passcode again. So once you click on that, this is going to pair your Apple Watch and AirPod together. You see that? So that's why you see AirPod Pro connected, and if you click on this information icon, you should see the AirPod is connected to your Apple Watch. So this I can easily pair Apple Watch to AirPod. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.